The District Magistrate of Tengnopal District has imposed CRPC 144 for 1 month in Moray border town starting last afternoon. This came in view of the law and order situation in that region following yesterday's incident of mob violence happened in front of Moray Hospital. Manipur Commission for Protection of Child Rights MPCR team yesterday visited Manipur Governor Dr. Najma Heptula and requested her to implement Manipur Policy for Children 2017 regulatory guidelines for hostel and educational institutions for children, enhancing salary for members and request for regularizing 3 staffs of MCPCR. Acting on tip-off, a team of Kasar police carried out a search operation at Upper Lobongkhal under Jirighat police station of Lakhipur subdivision, Kasar, Assam last afternoon, during which 3 drug peddlers along with 60 grams of heroin powder which were recovered. In the wake of coronavirus outbreak, the center declared face masks and hand sanitizers as essential commodities for the next 100 days. As per reports, the center, moreover, has stepped up the efforts to boost the supply and prevent hoarding of these items in its fight to check the spread of COVID-19. The Tripura government has closed down 2 border huts along the Indo-Bangla border as precautionary measures to prevent the spread of coronavirus. As per sources, the Secretary of Tripura Health Department, Debasis Basu, said the border huts along the Indo-Bangla border have been closed in accordance with its advisory issued by the Union Ministry of Health and Family.